Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It is Tuesday, July 22nd, 2025. Hope you're doing well. All right, so this morning, folks, in the WealthCharts live training room, we had a great time. We had 3 trades, 3 wins, over 30 plus ticks of profit, depending on how you manage the trade. And it was all about gold. And why is that? So again, I've got gold up here, folks, on the 1-minute chart. Okay, so gold on the 1-minute chart here. And you can see here, so on Tuesday here, we were in at 8 o'clock in the morning. And so right at 8:15, we started looking for some long triggers. We were in a nice uptrend already. Okay, and I love that. I love when we're in a trend that's in an uptrend when the algorithm is bullish. Okay, you can see 3 flames at the time. Now, what I look for then, folks, is very simple. A pullback into the champion trend entry, okay, and then again, trade number 1 here. Then you can see right here, before 9 o'clock, we took our second trade where we had the retracement. Okay, this is my favorite setup, when we have the retracement, then we can go back in the direction of that trend, see that beautiful flat bottom Heikin-Ashi candle. By the way, we also had a TRP cross and a Laguerre as a killer combination, back in the direction of the trend, and again, the algorithm was bullish all morning, telling me the bias was to the upside. So fantastic second trade there. And then after the 9:30 open, again, gold pulled back, and then we turned it back into a buy zone, and we had the exact type of setup that I look for again, back in the direction of the overall trend. The algorithm was bullish. We had a TRP cross. Again, this is a more aggressive TRP cross because it's below the 0 line, but with that Laguerre, with the Heikin-Ashi flat bottom in a strong trend, those are the type of trades that I get more aggressive. Again, just another nice trade. All right, folks. Now, if you can compare that to the S&P this morning, the S&P did have a nice sell-off here at the 9:30 open. Again, I usually wait 10 minutes before I trade after the open. This could have been an opportunity, which I did not take. This quickly moved short. But the reason being is we had a Heikin-Ashi Delta Smooth overextension here heading back up with a green dot. And typically what that means is it may come test the bottom, but it usually means this is a short-term bottom, and it happened to be the bottom as we discussed. So once we started then bouncing there, folks, we didn't have another trade there on the S&P, but gold was much higher probability, in my opinion, based on the trend, based on the algorithm, and so forth. So again, all of the trades today was on gold. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Folks, Thursday, 10 o'clock Eastern. Please come join me. I'm going to talk about my advanced Heikin-Ashi system, how to use it in your prop trading. I'm going to request another payout tonight from Apex, and again, trying to continue that streak. But again, if you can go to becomeabettertrader.com/yes. So it's www.becomeabettertrader.com/yes. You can register. I'll be on Thursday at 10 o'clock Eastern, 10 a.m. Eastern. I'm going to show you again how I use my advanced Heikin-Ashi system to not only fund my prop accounts, but also to get payouts. All right, folks, hope that helps. Have a great night, and I'll see you in the next update. Take care.